Hey everyone! Grab a cup of tea and settle in because today I'm getting real about something that's been a decade-long struggle for me. Perfect hair. Yep, I spent 10 years chasing that flawless, glossy, just stepped out of a salon look. And let me tell you, it's been a roller coaster. Now, I know you've seen those Instagram hair goals, the ones that make you think, why can't my hair look like that? I used to think the same. I spent countless hours and pounds on products, treatments, and even some questionable DIY remedies. You name it, I've tried it. But here's the brutal truth, guys. You'll never get that hair. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because that hair doesn't really exist. What you see on social media, it's a mix of filters, lighting, and a whole lot of editing. Remember that time I tried the coconut oil and egg mask? Yeah, I smelled like a walking omelet for a week. And the time I splurged on that luxury hair serum thinking it was the holy grail? It was just an overpriced bottle of disappointment. It's not just about the products, though. Hair health is influenced by so many factors. Genetics, diet, stress, even the weather. No wonder it feels like an uphill battle. I've had days where my hair looked amazing, and others where it resembled a bird's nest. That's just life. What I've learned over these 10 years is to embrace my hair's natural state. It's unique to me. Sure, I still use products, but now it's about enhancing what I have, not transforming it into something it's not, and you know what? That's incredibly freeing. So if you're on the same journey, my advice is this. Stop comparing your hair to those perfectly curated posts. Focus on what makes your hair feel good and healthy. Invest in quality products that suit your hair type, but don't break the bank chasing miracles. At the end of the day, perfect hair doesn't mean flawless. It means hair that makes you feel confident and happy. I wish someone had told me that years ago. But hey, better late than never, right? Thanks for sticking with me through this brutally honest chat. If you've got any hair horror stories or tips, drop them in the comments below. Let's embrace our perfectly imperfect hair together. Until next time, lovelies.